What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors at Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a little walk around on a 1962 four-door Impala. It does have a 327 under the hood. It's a date code correct motor. We're going to be doing this in a test drive. We'll be getting to some other vehicles today, try to get these things online before I go out of town. So once I go out of town, it'll be 5 days before any other test drives. I'll point out any kind of flaws. That way you know what you're coming to get. This car here is a four-door. It hasn't been painted. It's probably the original paint job. You can see the roofs. Got the patina look going on. I want to be pointing out any kind of rust spots, dents, scratches, any of that good stuff. It looks like they've replaced the front bumper. It's definitely a lot nicer than the rest of the car. It's still not perfect. Definitely check out maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures, finance information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, and yes, we can ship these cars anywhere in the country. We'll go ahead and pop the hood. I have to get y'all real close because I didn't pop it before I started the video here. Here, a little bit of rust shaking down through the hood. This car here, date code correct 327. This is a 3 on a tree. It runs and drives good. I actually took it to lunch. I was gonna do the video before lunch and didn't have enough time, so we're gonna start up here in the front. We're gonna look for major dents and scratches and rust. Because I mean, the paint job's old on it, so it's got a lot of flaking clear coat popping off. You can see a couple holes in the hood. Windshield looks pretty good on this one, and it's not all scratched up. Vent windows, you can tell it's old glass. Little pitting in the chrome there. Set of Cragars, decent tires. Got a little rust down in the bottom in between the doors. See some bubbles popping up on the driver's door in the front and the rear and that panel there. Same with the back door. We're gonna be doing a test drive here shortly. Rear bumper showing it's got some little rust and pitting popping up around on it. I feel like somebody has replaced these bumpers in the last 10 years. They should be a lot more rusted out. See a lot of little specks on the trunk where the paint's gone. I'm still looking for rust and dents. There's a dent in the trim in the back here. I'm gonna be getting the keys and open the trunk here shortly. See some spots popping up right here. Rust in the same spot as the driver's side. See those bubbles coming through? All right, we're gonna go ahead and get the keys out of the car and pop the trunk. And then we'll go and check the interior out. We'll start it up and give you some undercarriage shots. The trunk looks pretty good. It doesn't look like it's all rusted out. It does have age on it. Not perfect. Get your spare tire in there. Weather stripping around the trunk is actually still soft. And it's doing its job. It's keeping the water out of the trunk. I'm gonna go ahead and shut the trunk back down. Shuts nicely. You can see they taped up the door panel here at the bottom. That's a common thing where everybody gets out, they kick the door panel, kick the door open. You could see some chrome pitting on the door handles. The weather stripping's not bad. It's definitely older. Look up under the door here, try to give you all a good view of that. Headliner's completely gone in this car. It needs a headliner. I'd almost rip all that stuff out. It's gonna be bothering me on the test drive, I can tell you that. All right, you think the horn works? Take the pole, top right corner of the screen here. This steering wheel is huge. And this is all in my way. All right. Gonna give you a view of the dash. Let's go ahead and start it up. There we go, there's neutral. You can't even hear this car run. It's definitely running. Super quiet. Gauges down below. Oil pressure gauge is working. Temp gauge is not working at all. It's pretty much pegged out. We'll try the wipers. They work good. We'll be going down the road and checking the speedo. I believe the gas gauge works. It's showing 33,000 miles on the dash. It's possible. It's hard for me to stand behind anything in a 62 model. Radio does not work. Ashtrays, it's working. All right, guys, did you take the poll? Do you think the horn works? It does work. Hop out of the car here. It's so quiet. It's definitely running. We're gonna go ahead and shut the hood down. I'm gonna give you some undercarriage shots. I'll let you see. Shuts nice and easy. The hood's definitely got some spots in it. There's a couple little holes. All right, some undercarriage shots are coming your way. I'm gonna go up under the front, the driver's side, the rear, and the passenger, and then we'll take this thing down the road, see how she runs and drives. I do appreciate y'all watching. If you have any other questions, visit maplemotors.com. You can find instant information. I can ship it all over the country. If you want to hit that subscribe button, I post videos every day. It'll notify you every time I post a classic car up here. So You'll get a little ding if you hit the notification button after you subscribe. If you don't mind, share these videos. That helps us out greatly too. I appreciate you watching. Test drive video, I'll make it easy. I'm gonna put it in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. All right, guys, thanks for watching.